Okay, hi. Okay, this dance is called Leke Pehla Pyar. It's a remix song with an Indian song. Okay, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on July 2022. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. No tag, no restart, but there are 2 bridge on wall 3 and 7 in between 16 after 16 count. Okay? Okay. Let's start with the section 1. Okay, mambo section 1. Mambo forward. And then walk, walk, mambo back. Walk, walk. Section 2, Lindy step, recover, and then lock shuffle forward, and then quarter pivot turn to left, step, recover. And then section 3, cross mambo. And then recover, right botafogo, rock forward, recover, coaster step. Okay, section 4, side cross touch, and then quarter turn sachet to left, and then quarter turn pivot to left, and then close together and tap in place. Okay, now let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let me show. There is 2 bridge on wall 3 facing 6 o'clock, and then wall 7 facing 6 o'clock as well. Okay, after 16 count, let me show you. Okay, after 16, section 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, now bridge only hip up, bump, hip up, right hip, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 count. Okay, with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then continue with the section 3 and section 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Leke Pehla Pyar. I hope you like it, you enjoy the move, you enjoy the music. Okay, I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.